ये लड़का मेरे बिना जा रहा है। ईशान, 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 प्लीज ईशान, प्लीज। Some jhol. All these things that are listed here are for 49,000. But I'm sure there's some TNC hidden somewhere behind the frame, maybe. This is like those living rooms of that uncle who would sit on this couch and smoke a cigar. Don't you guys think the setup is like that? This is a cigar man's room. Guys, you know tissue paper को use करने के बाद हम उनका क्या करते हैं? I think we are lost. Good morning and welcome to another Bunch of My Days vlog. जैसे कि आपने टाइटल में पढ़ ही लिया होगा, आज जाने वाले हैं IKEA जो नवी मुंबई में खुला है। काफ़ी टाइम हो गया खुल के, बट मौका ही नहीं मिला कि मैं जा पाऊँ, तो मैं बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड हूँ वहाँ जाने के लिए। आज हम ट्राई करने वाले, मैं और ईशान साथ में जाने वाले, तो हम दोनों मिलकर ये ट्राई करने वाले कि हम IKEA से मोर देन 5 चीज़ें लेकर ना निकले। अगर खरीदे तो बस 5 चीज़ें खरीदे, और ऐसा नहीं कि लाइक 5 बहुत बड़ी एक्सपेंसिव चीज़ें, लाइक मीडियम रेंज टाइप चीज़ें है। क्या हम सक्सेसफुल रहते हैं, और आर वी गोइंग टू कम विद लाइक अ बंच ऑफ थिंग्स, और वी विल स्टे विद इन आवर लिमिट्स एंड जस्ट बाय 5 आइटम्स इफ एट ऑल वी इवन बाय। मेरे घर से IKEA इज़ लाइक 2 hours अवे, नवी मुंबई इज़ 2 hours अवे, तो ये ऐसे ही लग रहा है मुझे कि मैं एक लॉन्ग ड्राइव के लिए निकल रही हूँ, लाइक आई एम गोइंग फॉर अ रोड ट्रिप। सी यू गाइज इन द कार। ओह, एंड बिफोर वी गो, हियर इज़ लाइक अ क्विक OOTD. This is what Gina looks like today. You know, I feel like baggy clothes should be made mandatory. It's so comfortable and I just love wearing oversized clothes. Let me know in the comments if you guys are in favor of oversized clothes or like tight fitting clothes. Important साथी, खुद की वाटर बॉटल और छाता, because मुंबई की बारिश का कोई भरोसा नहीं है। ये लड़का मेरे बिना जा रहा है। ईशान, 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 प्लीज ईशान, प्लीज। ओह, रुक गया। Okay, so this is what it shows. 1 hour 45 minutes to reach IKEA. ये एक छोटा सा लॉन्ग ड्राइव है हमारे, छोटा सा लॉन्ग ड्राइव।
1 hour 45 minutes we reach Palghar, Boisar.
I swear, dude. Seriously.
But we cannot reach some, मतलब
in
internal
Mumbai
parts of Mumbai only.
Yeah, like from the suburbs you can't reach.
So we 1 hour 45 minutes is still good. Last time when we had gone, we took almost 2.5 hours just to reach Andheri, if you remember.
Really? Where did we go?
Andheri office.
Oh yeah,
I used to,
God,
my
those
office
days
used to be in Andheri, if you remember.
Yeah, those days when we used to take a
Long
car.
time, no?
Yeah, it's been so long, my God. It almost feels like forever. हम पवई पहुँचे और यहाँ पे एक खुफिया स्पेस मिशन चालू है, और ये सारे स्पेस में लॉन्च होने के लिए रेडी है। ये एक रेडी है, ये दूसरा भी रेडी है। ओके, 4 घंटे हो चुके हैं और अब हम अभी तक नहीं पहुँचे हैं।
4 घंटे।
It feels like 4-8 घंटे। No, but we're going to take a pit stop यहाँ पे at this petrol pump. तो थोड़ा सा छोटू सा detour लेके we will go fill CNG and then get back to the trafficy routes.
Thousands of tears later.
Finally, here I am. After 3 hours of driving time. खाली लग रहा है ये फ्लोर एटलीस्ट पार्किंग का। आई एम रियली होपिंग के अंदर भी देयर इज लाइक नो रश और एनीथिंग लाइक दैट, एंड इट इज एज एम्प्टी एज द पार्किंग लॉट लुक्स राइट नाउ। But this is one of the levels of parking, so you never know. I'm not gonna really underestimate ये देख के, but देखते हैं। ये देखो यहाँ पे थोड़ी गाड़ियाँ है यहाँ पे, बट वो पूरा सेक्शन खाली पड़ा था। want to take a picture of this so we remember कि हमारी गाड़ी कहाँ पार्कed है, which is J row 7. Let's go. Electric charging stations. How cool is that? Electric charging station 1, 2 and 3. सिर्फ चार्जिंग स्टेशन है पर इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल्स किसी की भी नहीं है. No EVs to show, so right. So there's a little queue that you see for social distancing. There are markers यहाँ पे where you have to stand to socially distance yourself. And this is like going to Lal Bagh Ganpati.
To the left.
Okay, male to the right and female to the left. My God, this is like going for a vaccination drive. There is temperature screening and now there is back screening. Where is Ishan? Where's my husband? Somebody has abducted him. Oh, here he is. तुमच्या IKEA-मध्ये स्वागत आहे. Upon taking the elevator that you just saw, you will see 2 floors that IKEA is divided into. And here are some steps that will help you save time and even shop easily. You can enter the showroom, which is the furniture exhibition floor. ये जो upper floor है, this is the one where all the sample rooms and display pieces are kept for you to kind of gauge what a finished room would look like. या तो फिर आप इसे टेस्ट भी करके देख सकते हैं बैठ के, and you can get some decor inspiration as well. Now, if you like something here, make a note or click a picture of the product tag, दोनों white और red tag का. These product tags will tell you where to pick your chosen products from once you enter the self-serve or the market hall areas, which are both on the ground floor. Also on this display floor, you'll find a number of sofa chairs, recliners, bedroom chairs, and even some large couches. Could like just pick up a couch and just put it in the car and just take it home.
I want to show this to my friend Anirudh.
Oh, he wants to show it to our friend who's a I was going to say fashion designer. He's a
If you are watching this, this is how.
This is the car. So Anirudh is our interior designer come friend who has designed our home, and Ishan wants to show this couch to him. But the thing is, if we had a couch like this, I would only keep sleeping on it. So. It's like I'm sinking in it. It has beans inside.
Yeah, that means it's not durable.
Chen, do you want lint roller?
It is packed.
But do you want it?
It's not working.
Working? Maybe it's not working. यहाँ आपको अलग अलग तरीके के बेड साइड टेबल्स भी मिलेंगे और काफी सारे वार्डरोब के ऑप्शन। एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट इज कि इनका सारा फर्नीचर रेडी टू असेंबल होता है, तो आपको इसके अलग अलग पार्ट्स मिलेंगे जैसे कि डोर्स, नॉब्स, स्क्रूज एंड ऑल ऑफ इट दैट यू रिक्वायर, और एक यूजर मैनुअल भी जिसे देख के आप अपने घर पे खुद ही असेंबल कर सकते हो। गाइस, यू नो टिश्यू पेपर को यूज करने के बाद हम उनका क्या करते हैं? That is. Now we've reached space, guys. This entire white area that you see, even the tissues, these are all for astronauts. This is where astronauts sleep. If you have astronauts at home, you should buy these for them.
12 seconds later.
I think we're lost. I don't know. I think we're lost. It's like being in a maze. We're just going round and round in circles. ये जगह हमने देख लिया, हम वापस उधर ही है. I don't know why. Now we're going to try and find the exit from this floor and go to the floor lower than this. तो हम नीचे वाले फ्लोर में आ गए हैं. What is this? Why are you holding it like? Okay. I found the cup of my dreams. What I was looking for at the time.
Dream of my cup.
Dream of my cup, nahi cup of my dream. Let's see if it's the same dream cup.
You want this?
I guess.
Like seriously?
I don't know if this was my dream cup. Come, let's go find my dream cup. ये ऐसा.
एक ये और एक मेरे लिए सकते.
Oh, this is like a he and she cup. नहीं, पर मुझे चाहिए वो ऐसी कलर का, पर ये नहीं है वो. Now the second floor or the lower floor is the marketplace, the one where you can actually buy the products from, such as kitchenware, there's crockery, garden items, bedding, rugs and everything you can think of. So चलो देखते हैं what some of these sections look like. Also, here's another tip if you want to kind of save 1 or 2 hours of your time at IKEA. जो एग्जीबिशन वाला फ्लोर है जहाँ पे सारे डिस्प्ले रूम्स बने हुए हैं, इनका सारा सामान आपको नीचे मार्केट प्लेस में भी मिलेगा. सो इफ यू वांट टू काइंड ऑफ जस्ट वॉच दिस वीडियो एंड सी व्हाट द डिस्प्ले एरिया लुक्स लाइक, यू कैन डू दैट एंड डायरेक्टली skip that floor and just head to the marketplace where you can actually go and pick up the items from. Now we are in the section which is for self-assembling furniture, जहाँ से आप ये लकड़े के पीसेस उठा सकते हो और खुद ही घर पे असेंबल कर सकते हो। ऐसा लग रहा है हम किसी गोडाउन में आए। दिस एक्चुअली लुक्स लाइक मास्टर शेफ ऑस्ट्रेलिया। डू लुक एट दिस, लुक्स लाइक we're in मास्टर शेफ। It really looks like we're in MasterChef ka kitchen, but we're not. We're just
So people
still
who-
in IKEA.
People who
And finally, you will reach the self-service area, which is the third area and the last one, where you can pick up all the large furniture that you've actually chosen to buy. तो जिस टैग्स के बारे में मैंने आपको बोला था, उन टैग्स के नंबर्स को देख के आप यहाँ से बड़ा फर्नीचर पिकअप कर सकते हो। और ये सेल्फ असेंबल सेक्शन है जहाँ पे फ्लैट फर्नीचर पीसेस मिलेंगे, जिसे आप मैनुअल देखकर खुद ही घर पे असेंबल कर सकते हो। Okay guys, we're heading to the billing counter. This has been an extremely tiring experience. Oh, look at that walk-in closet. That's a walk-in. Guys, do you want to see a walk-in closet? That is a walk-in closet. जो आपके साथ हर जगह चल सकता है जब आप चल के कहीं जा रहे हो। So a walk-in closet, so walking closet. Get the fun. Guys, तो हमने सोचा था हम 5 चीज़ें खरीदेंगे, but this is way beyond 5. It's more than 5 for sure. And you are found guilty. You are found guilty, sir. What do you have to say about that?
I have to pay. How can I be guilty?
Oh, he's not guilty, but he's bought all this saman. But he's still not guilty. This guy pleads not guilty. And I plead little guilty. Because some of the things I bought were my choice, were things that I put into this cart, so I'm a little guilty. So sells samosas at IKEA. If you want to come to eat samosa in a safe spot for 10 rupees, you have to come to IKEA, okay? My poor cups. We can't take them because apparently that was a display piece and this guy came with a saucer, but we didn't have that, so they can't sell it to us. So both my cups are... So because IKEA is a Swedish brand, they have this entire section of just Swedish food, which I think is really cool. There's a little cafe here where you can sit down and grab something to have. It's called as Fika. Yeah, food. We've just finished unloading all the saman into our car. Thank you for watching this video and liking the vlog. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. See you guys in the next vlog.
10 seconds later. "24 hours later."
Hey guys, what's up? So IKEA yesterday and today is a new day. It's a new morning. इतने ज़्यादा थके हुए थे. Driving to IKEA took us 3 hours and even driving back home took us 3 hours. So we were totally exhausted and like totally tired. I just wanted to come home, have some food and just doze off. Hope you guys had fun touring IKEA with me. If you guys are planning to go, just keep these little things in mind. You need to keep your masks on at all times. If you're looking forward to go to the restaurant, try and go at the earlier hours. So IKEA opens from 11 AM and it closes at 8 PM in the evening, and it's open on all 7 days. You don't, so earlier before the lockdown, you had to sort of make a booking to go to IKEA, but अभी उन्होंने वो भी बंद कर दिया, so you can just walk in without making a booking. A lot of people yesterday from my Instagram stories asked IKEA is in Navi Mumbai, and that's the only IKEA which is in Maharashtra. Apart from that, there's one in Hyderabad, and that's it. There are just these 2 outlets in all of India. So if you're planning to go, just go at the right time. 11 o'clock is when the store opens, so try and be there at 11 ताकि आपको restaurant थोड़ा खाली मिले. Because yesterday we really were hungry and wanted to go, but restaurant इतना full था, we weren't ready to wait in a line. तो नीचे जो cafe था IKEA में, we went to the cafe, we picked up some stuff, and then we just went from there. I hope you guys liked this vlog. Please make sure to hit the like button. Get your friends to watch this vlog. If you're planning to go to IKEA with them, to show them the show virtually first. Please subscribe to Talk and Travel if you still haven't subscribed to Talk and Travel, so that you guys can keep seeing all the vlogs that I'm going to be making, and hit the bell icon ताकि आपको notification पहले मिले जब मैं नया vlog डालूं. So I will see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.